Hello everyone, welcome to Self Learning. Today we are going to learn variables in Python. Variables are containers that stores values in computer programming. They serve as placeholders for various types of data. There is an example x equal to 10. Here x is a variable and 10 is a value assigned to it. We can interrupt this statement as the value of x is 10. Okay, let's do a practical. My variable name is a equal to the a variable value is 4. Okay, let's print it. Print and put the variable name A. My variable name is A. Then print. Then click the run button, and you will see the 4. The variable A value is 4, so I got it. And make sure uh, by printing your variable, it's not inside, it not be in double quotes or single quotes because it will return the variable name. Look out it, the A. Okay, so simply put A. Okay, let's do some crazy things. Double quotes. Inside the double quotes, write the value, the a the a value the a value is, and put a space, and after the double quotes put comma, then print it. You will see like this, the a value is 4. Okay, now let's do with some more advanced. Okay, let's say my variable name is name equal to soft. Look out it. Why I am putting double quotes here. The sequence of characters are string. Okay, so I'm using double quotes for string, and after it I'm gonna print double quotes name. The name is comma the variable name. Then print. You will see. Wait. Hmm. The A value is 4. The name is self. Like this. Okay, guys, let's learn the rules of creating variables. Variable names can contain letters, numbers, and underscore. In Python, you can create your own variable name as anything, but remember they cannot start with a number. And then variables names are case sensitive. What is case sensitive? Let's create a variable name as age in uppercase. Age equal to something 10, and then create another variable name as age but in lowercase, age equal to 20, and let's print it. Print print caps age, and print age, and just run the button, and you will see 10 and 20 are respectively the both of value, and you can see the difference. Don't see the values, just focus on the variables. The both pronunciations are same, age, but the difference is uppercase and lowercase. It is known as case sensitive. The both are same, but the uppercase lowercase are the difference. Okay, this is the case sensitive. And what if I put the variables are same? For example, I just erase the lowercase age and convert into caps age and an uppercase age. What will happen? It will just update up to date update itself. Example, the upper age, the first variable age equal to 10. Okay, after where I'm just change the age, second variable age equal to 20, it will up to date. If I print the age value is must be 20. Hope you understand. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.